everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Kim of FONERange, and yes, in today's video, we will be doing a quick unboxing and first impression of the Samsung Galaxy A01. But before that, a friendly reminder from FONERange, don't forget to sanitize your hands, be sure to wear your mask all the time, and observe social distancing. Again, this is the Samsung Galaxy A01 and as you can see, it is the usual box of A series, all white and yung image ng phone sa harap. So, meron tayong idea kung ano yung display ng phone. So, let's get started and see more what's in the box. First off, we are greeted with this small box and it contains, let's open, the warranty card and the quick start guide. And yes, wala po siyang kasama na free jelly case. Underneath the box, the phone itself. Ayan. But we'll talk about it more on that later. So let's set it aside muna and let's see the accessories of the Galaxy A01. Then, inside the box, we have the wall adapter, a micro USB cable, and guys, something to note that the battery capacity of this device is a 3000 mAh, which is very typical for an entry-level smartphones. Next up is the wired earphone with a built-in microphone. And guys, it's so nice to have an earphone in this entry-level. Unlike sa mga ibang budget phone or entry-level phone, walang kasamang earphone. So, kahit na wala tayong jelly case dito, at least we have this one. A SIM ejector tool is also provided in the box. And finally, let's talk about the device. B-roll, please! So what we got here is the matte finish blue color, and as you can see, very plain, simple, and malinis tignan yung likod, and it's also available in color black and red. The back cover of the Samsung Galaxy A01 is a plastic, which is very common for an entry-level smartphone. And if you like a big screen for an entry-level phone, this device comes with a 5.7-inch HD Plus with a resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a pre-installed screen protector, so don't forget to buy one to protect your phone from dents and scratches. Now, let's proceed sa physical buttons of the phone. On the right side, we have the power button with a 9 hybrid SIM card slot which supports 2 nano SIM card and a micro SD card. At the top of the phone, it has a 3.5mm audio port, and on the other side, it is the volume rocker physical button. At the bottom, you will find the microphone and a micro USB port. The speaker grills are located at the back of the phone. Unfortunately, it does not include a bump which will elevate the phone to avoid sound distortion. The main camera has a 13MP with f2.2 aperture. The secondary camera, it has 2MP depth sensor. And lastly, the front camera, it has 5MP for selfie purposes. The RAM is 2GB and the internal storage is 16GB. So if you intend to use the phone as a daily driver, don't worry because there is a micro SD card which is expandable. Now let's test the camera. Here are the front-facing shots for selfie use and video calls. Then for the rear camera shots, here are the sample photos and videos taken from normal and low light scenarios. With all of the features mentioned, this is actually an impressive entry-level smartphone for its price. So, if you are interested, the device is available to all FONERange stores. Don't worry guys, ilalagay namin sa description box yung link ng aming branch locator. And before I forget, the selling price of this device is 5,490 at the time of this recording. For more infos about our upcoming promos, please like and follow us on our social media accounts and enjoy hassle-free shopping when you purchase to our online stores. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoy watching. If you like this video, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will get notified whenever we upload our new unboxing. Once again, this is Kim of FONERange. Thank you, stay safe, and have a great day. And don't forget to observe social distance. Me, Kim of FONERange, and guys, and don't forget, yes po ulit. But, before that, and for more promos, 1, 2, 3. And don't forget to observe social distancing.